looking at a brand new Oliver 50 gravity table. This unit was manufactured in September of 2022, which you will see on the data tag here in a moment. It's completely new, and it has a brand new stainless steel deck on top, so it could be used as a food grade deck. It has the small grains mesh for hemp and wheat and things like that. We do not have the motors for the unit because we don't know if the next customer is going to need single phase or three phase, but the motors will be supplied when the customer orders the unit. This is looking at the serial tag. You can see it's a model 51 left-hand unit. There's the serial number 13582. Date of manufacture September 2022. Looking here at the controls, you can see that this unit has the variable speed deck, the mechanical control setup for the deck shake. And here is your air adjustments. This unit has been completely crated and is ready for shipment. The shipping dims are 91 inches wide. That is from that side over to there. And then 61 inches long, which is from where you stick your forks in the pallet here to the back. And then the height is 84 inches. That's exactly 7 feet from the bottom of the pallet all the way to the top. The weight is 1,250 pounds.